Hello lovelies, welcome back to Harmonious Living. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. It's definitely been a while, and today's video is just a time-lapse video of me resetting my kitchen at night before I head to bed. I definitely did not feel like doing it. I'm tired and exhausted from my day, but I decided to push through whatever I was feeling and to get it done. And honestly, in the morning when I wake up, it'll feel good to wake up to a clean and prepared kitchen. So I have a message for those of you who are watching. You may need it, you may not, but hopefully it'll speak to your heart. This is a reminder that even when we feel tired, worn down, and unmotivated, God will meet us right where we are. It's not about being perfect. It's about having faithfulness in the small and unseen moments. Sometimes pushing through isn't about the strength that we currently have, but the strength that God will provide us in that moment. So if you are feeling overwhelmed or exhausted, I hope that this reset encourages you to keep going through with grace throughout your week. Have a blessed week.